Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Mike here, and welcome back to Hey You Know. Ramadan is a time of spiritual reflection and devotion for millions around the world, but did you know that fasting during this holy month can have some pretty amazing health benefits too? Today we're diving deep into the science behind Ramadan fasting and exploring how it can positively impact your health. We'll be talking about everything from weight management and blood sugar control to brain health and heart health. So whether you're observing Ramadan or just curious about the health benefits of fasting, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock the health secrets of Ramadan fasting together. Fasting, by its very nature, means you're abstaining from food and drink for a significant portion of the day. This practice has been around for centuries and is rooted in various cultural and religious traditions. But in recent years, it's gained popularity as a method for weight loss and improving overall health. Now, you might be thinking, Dr. Mike, isn't that just going to make me lose weight because I'm eating less? And while that's partially true, there's more to the story. Reducing your calorie intake is a fundamental principle of weight loss. And fasting helps you do just that. But it's not just about the quantity of food, it's also about the timing and quality of what you eat. But here's the thing, it's not just about eating less, it's about giving your body a break. This break can have profound effects on your overall well-being. When you fast, you're essentially giving your digestive system a much-needed rest. This rest period allows your body to focus on other vital processes. Think about it. Your body is constantly working to break down food and extract nutrients. This constant activity can be taxing on your system. Fasting allows your digestive system to take a breather and focus on other important tasks like cell repair and detoxification. These processes are crucial for maintaining good health, but it goes beyond just calorie restriction. The benefits of fasting extend to various aspects of your health. Studies have shown that fasting can actually change your body's hormonal profile in a way that promotes weight loss. These hormonal changes can make a significant difference in how your body processes and stores fat. For example, fasting can increase the production of a hormone called growth hormone, which helps burn fat and build muscle. This hormone plays a key role in your body's metabolism. It can also decrease levels of the hormone insulin, which is responsible for storing fat. Lower insulin levels can make it easier for your body to access and burn stored fat. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dr. Mike, losing weight sounds great, but is fasting safe? This is a common and important question, and that's a valid concern. Fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Fasting isn't for everyone, especially if you have underlying health conditions. It's crucial to understand your own health needs and limitations. It's always important to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you're considering fasting. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your health history, but for many healthy adults, fasting can be a safe and effective way to jumpstart weight loss and improve overall health. It's about finding what works best for you and your lifestyle. Just remember to listen to your body, break your fast if you experience any adverse effects, and stay properly hydrated throughout the day. Hydration is key to making fasting a sustainable and healthy practice. Let's talk about blood sugar control, something that's incredibly important for everyone, but especially for those with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for maintaining overall health and preventing complications. Now, when you eat, your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which enters your bloodstream. This glucose is essential as it provides energy for your cells to function properly. Insulin, a hormone produced by your pancreas, helps your cells absorb this glucose for energy. Without insulin, or with insufficient insulin, your cells can't get the energy they need. However, when you eat too many carbs or your body becomes resistant to insulin, your blood sugar levels can spike. This can lead to a range of health issues, including fatigue, headaches, and long-term complications like heart disease. This is where fasting comes in. Fasting can help regulate your blood sugar levels by giving your body a break from constant food intake. When you fast, your body goes through a period of low blood sugar. During this time, your body starts to use stored glucose for energy, which can help lower your overall blood sugar levels. This prompts your body to become more efficient at using glucose for energy and also improves your insulin sensitivity. Improved insulin sensitivity means your body can better manage blood sugar levels. Think of it like this. Fasting gives your cells a workout. making them better at absorbing glucose and reducing your risk of insulin resistance. It's like training your cells to be more effective. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting, a popular form of fasting where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting, can significantly improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. This method can be easier to stick to and can fit into various lifestyles. In some cases, it can even help people reduce their reliance on medication. This can be a significant benefit for those looking to manage their condition more naturally. But again, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before making any changes to your diet or medication, especially if you have diabetes. Your healthcare provider can help you create a plan that's safe and effective for you. Fasting can be a powerful tool for improving blood sugar control, but it's essential to do it safely and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. With the right approach, fasting can be a beneficial part of your health regimen. Chapter 3. Fasting for a sharper mind, boosting brain function. Did you know that fasting can actually make you smarter? It might sound surprising, but there's a growing body of research that supports this fascinating idea. Okay, maybe not smarter in the traditional sense, but studies have shown that fasting can have some pretty amazing benefits for your brain. These benefits go beyond just cognitive function and extend to overall brain health. When you fast, your body enters a state called ketosis. This metabolic state is not just about burning fat. It has profound effects on your brain's energy supply. This is where your body starts burning fat for energy instead of glucose. This shift in energy source can have significant implications for brain function and clarity. Now, what's interesting is that ketones, the byproducts of fat breakdown, can actually cross the blood-brain barrier and provide your brain with an alternative fuel source. This alternative fuel is not only efficient but also cleaner, reducing oxidative stress. This can be particularly beneficial for brain health because ketones are a more efficient energy source for your brain than glucose. They help maintain energy levels and support cognitive functions. But the benefits of fasting for your brain go beyond just providing an alternative fuel source. Fasting can also enhance mental clarity and focus, making it easier to engage in complex tasks. Fasting has also been shown to stimulate the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This protein plays a crucial role in brain health and cognitive function. BDNF is like fertilizer for your brain cells. It nourishes them, helping them grow stronger and more resilient. It helps protect existing brain cells from damage and promotes the growth of new brain cells, a process called neurogenesis. This is essential for maintaining cognitive function as we age. This is huge because it means that fasting could potentially play a role in preventing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By promoting brain health, fasting could help us maintain our mental faculties longer. Now, more research is definitely needed in this area, but the early findings are promising. Scientists are excited about the potential of fasting as a tool for brain health. So, not only can fasting help you lose weight and control your blood sugar, it might also help keep your brain sharp as a tack. By incorporating fasting into your routine, you could be giving your brain the boost it needs to stay healthy and vibrant. Chapter 4. Fighting inflammation, how fasting can help. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. It's how your body fights off invaders and heals itself. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it can actually start to damage your body's own tissues and organs, leading to a whole host of health problems like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. The good news is that fasting has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects on the body. One way fasting does this is by reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is essentially an imbalance between free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells, and antioxidants, which neutralize free radicals. Fasting helps reduce oxidative stress by decreasing the production of free radicals and increasing the production of antioxidants. But that's not all. Fasting can also reduce inflammation by lowering levels of certain pro-inflammatory markers in the body, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, and interleukin-6, IL-6. These markers are like red flags that signal inflammation in the body. By lowering their levels, fasting helps calm down the inflammatory response. So, by reducing oxidative stress and lowering pro-inflammatory markers, fasting can help keep inflammation in check and protect your body from its harmful effects. Chapter 5. A healthy heart. The benefits of fasting for cardiovascular health. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, so taking care of your heart should be a top priority. The good news is that fasting can be a powerful ally in your fight against heart disease. We've already talked about how fasting can help with weight loss, blood sugar control, and reducing inflammation, all of which are major risk factors for heart disease. But fasting also has some direct benefits for your heart. For example, studies have shown that fasting can lower levels of LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol. LDL cholesterol can build up in your arteries, forming plaque that can restrict blood flow and increase your risk of heart attack or stroke. Fasting can also lower levels of triglycerides, another type of fat found in your blood that's linked to heart disease. On the flip side, fasting can increase levels of HDL cholesterol, also known as the good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol actually helps remove LDL cholesterol from your arteries, reducing your risk of heart disease. So, by improving your cholesterol profile and reducing other risk factors like inflammation and blood sugar levels, fasting can help keep your heart healthy and strong. That's it for today's video on the health benefits of Ramadan fasting. And I hope you learned something new about how fasting can positively impact your health, from weight management and blood sugar control to brain health and heart health. Remember, fasting isn't a magic bullet, and it's essential to talk to your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Hey You Know for more informative content just like this. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep those brains and bodies in tip-top shape.